Ever locked a row in your database and forgot about it, only to spend hours debugging a mysterious error? Well, I did, and this is how I solved it in minutes. Hi, I'm Samantha from NextAI Vault, and in this video, I'll walk you through how I debugged and finally fixed this using the help of ChatGPT. I was working on a Python script that updated tool data and then sent the next step to a PHP backend. Everything looked good, until suddenly, the backend threw a fatal PDO exception. The PHP response said, "Lock wait timeout exceeded, try restarting transaction." Classic. The script had locked a row in the database and forgot to release it. Turns out, all I had to do was commit the transaction in Python after the update. One missing line was holding up the entire operation. Always close your transactions. Whether you're using Python's SQL Alchemy or raw mysql, that commit is your best friend when working with shared data. And guess what helped me figure this out in under 2 minutes? ChatGPT. It quickly pinpointed the root cause and helped me fix it before I pulled out my hair. If you've ever wrestled with database locks, leave a comment with your worst dev horror story. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world dev fixes, powered by a little AI backup. Until next time, I'm Samantha from NextAI Vault. See you in the next video.